Hello everyone, it's Mortho here from Morthotech Artworks. By special request, I've been asked to demonstrate on how to come up with a character. So I'm going to do my best with a few tips and stuff like that, and hopefully you get something out of it. Coming up with a character, it doesn't have to be complicated. The idea is that it's something relatively simple, something that you can do quick, and something that you can do in one colour. Even just an outline. Do a few demonstrations. Now, it's not going to be anything special. It's just going to be me using this little fella and just drawing a few doodles and stuff like that. So let's get cracking. You've probably seen my characters and stuff like that, and like I do skulls and stuff like that. But the ones that you see are ones that I finish off. I always start with the outline, the very basic design. And there you go. That's a very basic character right there. Then my outline, then I start doing all my fills and stuff like that. But for now, we're talking about how to design a character. So like I was saying before, they don't have to be anything complicated or anything like that, just something quite simple that looks nice on a slap or on a piece or whatever. Now, I do all my characters and stuff cartoony, so let's go with that. I want it cartoony, so you want cartoony eyes, cartoony mouth. So, let's do a couple of cartoony eyes. Let's make them squares. Now, I will just put a little square nose in, seeing I'm all doing it square. Now, immediately, I've got the idea of this sort of robot character, but I'm gonna zazz it up a bit. And there you go. If you coloured that in, you'll probably have a really cool fucking character. And then you can do the rest. You can even just give it a really dumb-looking body. This is fine work I'm doing. But really, when you do all the fill and everything like that, and, do a nice shadow behind him, and stuff like that, it would actually look kind of cool. You know what I mean? But yeah, very basic. This is what we're doing today. Fucking, what am I doing? Lads, is they try to do the simple thing, but there's minor little things that they're sort of forgetting to do or haven't even thought about doing, and that's doing just adding your depth and stuff like that without color. So instead of doing like an open mouth like that, even though surely that's like this is ice, that's passable, yeah? Do it like so. There is my bottom jaw, and then I'm gonna have the top lip curl round like that, bring it down, and now I've got some depth going on. Let's do the top jaw. Might do the top jaw just a little bit normal like that. And now we've got, a bit more depth going on, a bit more zazz happening. And then we chuck his tongue in. This is usually how I typically do my character, Okay, now let's do something else. So I've seen a lot of people when they're starting off with characters and stuff like that, their eyes for their cartoon characters are literally just like something like that. Zazz them up. Put something cool into it instead of just doing very basic line work like that. What you want to do is make these eyelids stick out, So what I'm going to do is do the eyelid first. What I'm going to do is make it wrap around the eyeball like that. And then same on the other side. And then, we can put his little fucking eyes there. And then you've got some depth, you've got something going on. And little stoned pussycat. I don't know what I'm doing here. Now, cartoony eyes, they don't have to always be round, I used to have a cartoon sort of character like this. It's a long time ago, And then you just, there you go. That's a character. Maybe I change the shape of his head up, or give him like a mohawk or something like that. That would be kind of cool. You know, so yeah, that would be kind of cool. That's all right. The thing is that I see people, they just don't have depth. They keep making it look like one flat surface. No. Let's do something a little bit more new school. So there, I've got a jaw there, but what I'm really going to do is I'm just going to put his bottom jaw in like that. Now his face is this television screen I've sort of just decided just then. So I want it sort of bulging out of the TV or the monitor or whatever. And then here we can have a bit of an aerial just poking out there. There you go, that's pretty cool. Colour it in, why not? Why not? Look like the screen's bulging out a bit more. Down here, I just want to use a darker brown to get more of that power effect. You know, that's alright. I reckon that's not a bad idea, not a bad crack at a quick little character. But I really hope that explained a fair bit to you. Look, like I said, this one I did put a bit of shadow into and stuff like that, but I reckon I can do this solely just as an outline, and it would still look punchy, you know? Just basically sit there. Just sit there, get a shitload of pens out, and just start doodling. Sit there in your book, and just start drawing silly little cartoon characters. If you keep doing that, eventually you will get a character put together. I really hope that helped, but I will see you on the next one. I think on the next one I'll be reviewing a bunch of different type of markers that I use when I'm doing my slaps. Okay guys, I will see you next time. See ya!